Hello folks, if your touchscreen is not working in Windows, then watch this video. So the first thing we need to know is whether we really have a touchscreen or not. To find that out, we need to right click on the start button, go to settings, and we'll click on system, and in system we will go to about. Click on about, and if we will come here to pen and touch. If it's written that no pen and touch input is available for this display, it means that we do not have a touchscreen. Now, if we do have a touchscreen, then we need to simply restart the computer and it will start working. So just click on the start button, click on the power button and click on restart. If after this too it doesn't work, then maybe you have a faulty screen protector. Maybe the screen protector is too thick or it has too many scratches and marks on it. And the reason the computer is not picking up the input. The next thing we need to check if the computer is overheated. If the laptop is overheated, so if the laptop is overheated, it's not able to cool properly, or you're working on a really hot day, then the touchscreen normally deactivates itself from the system to protect its internal circuitry. And finally, if nothing else works, then we will update the HID drivers. For that, we'll go to device manager and we will look for human interface devices, expand it. If you do have a touchscreen, then it will show you like a touch. I have a touchpad here, so I will right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers, and the touchscreen should start working. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.